Hello and welcome to Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Wilson, North Carolina. Hey, thanks for taking just a minute to look at our 2015 Dodge Durango. This is the Citadel package. It is a rear-wheel drive with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. The color you're seeing is called Billet Silver. Hey, it does have the remote liftgate release, and as you see, it does have remote start. In there it is, third row, and get you on the inside here. Now this is the leather seating, easy to keep clean. Hey, this is a people mover right here, folks. If you are looking for a great SUV for the family, this is it right here. It does have power windows, door locks, and memory driver's seat. Let me get in and crank it up here, and we're looking at 73,900 miles on it. It is push button start. And as everything comes up, you can see it's got the backup camera and heated and cooled seats, navigation. Hey, it does have sunroof. So if you're looking for a great value for a Durango, this is it right here. This is the one to have. We're at Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Wilson, North Carolina. We're located at 3700 Riley Road Parkway West. Hey, thanks for the time. We'll see you soon.